Board-certified facial plastic surgeon Dr. Dino Madonna of Lake Ear, Nose, Throat and Facial Plastic Surgery was a recent guest on Focus Radio Live on AM 790, where he discussed his passion for the artistry of facial plastic surgery.
Thanks for being with us, Dr. Madonna. We wanted to take a minute to congratulate you. I understand you were just awarded, really, kind of a couple of weeks ago. You were featured in the New York Times as the Castle Connolly, one of the top doctors. What does that mean to you, and what is that award about?
Oh, it's a great prestige. To me, it just shows recognition amongst my peers. When I first received notification, I actually researched as to how that came about, and it's basically a peer-reviewed amongst surveys amongst other physicians, and I found it a great honor that I was thought of in such a manner.
So tell us about your passions in this field.
I guess I've always had a flair for, I like putting things back together. For instance, from the reconstructive standpoint, I like seeing something that's either been violated by skin cancers or some trauma, and I like to see how I can put that together back in an aesthetic fashion. And also, it's key to, while you're putting stuff back together in a form, to respect the functionality. So, for instance, in the nose, when you don't just want to rebuild the tissue, but then they can't breathe out of their nose. So you have to kind of combine the two, and it takes a lot of three-dimensional artistry to kind of figure it out.
Now, you really treat each person almost as a work of art, is what I've been told, and everyone has a personalized experience. Why do you think that's important, and why do you do that?
When I have the patient interview, it's about seeing what a person's expectations are, what they kind of see as their problem areas or issues they want to address. And then as physician or surgeon, I'm trying to put those pieces together and see what can I realistically provide in a safe manner. I'm a facial plastic surgeon, so I don't do tummy tucks or breast augmentations. It's literally head and neck.
For more information on the procedures offered and to make an appointment with Lake Ear, Nose, Throat and Facial Plastic Surgery, click the Focus on Faces story link on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.